Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. So finally friends, I was able to get hands on with the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. So in this video, let's do the unboxing of the iQOO Neo 7 Pro device, and let me know in the comments what other videos you want me to upload on the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. Especially I'll try to compare with the OnePlus Nord 3 and other devices. So after a long time I've been waiting for this device to review in my channel, which is iQOO Neo 7 Pro. And today I got hands on with this device, and I'm really excited to do the unboxing and further testing on the iQOO Neo 7 Pro, comparing with the other iQOO phones and even with the OnePlus Nord 3 device, so which I do have right now, and I kept charging as well. So I'll definitely do the lot of comparisons between these two phones, so OnePlus Nord 3 and the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. Even the Poco F5 also I do have the phone, and even I'll try to compare with the previous iQOO Neo 7. So how this phone is compared with the previous iQOO Neo 7. So all the things I'll try to discuss in this video. So let's do the unboxing of the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. So here's a quick unboxing guys of the iQOO Neo 7 Pro device, and let me to show you what are the contents. It's available in the iQOO Neo 7 Pro, and this is the orange variant which I did order at this moment. And let me to keep the phone aside, and we do get the transparent case which is included, so which is not that great in quality, but still it's good. And let's keep the case aside, and we got a couple of warranty cards, and it is a charger which is a 120 watts fast charger, which is also pretty good, and which is included with the type C to type C cable inside the box. And we do have the SIM card removal pin as well. So these are the few contents which are available with the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. So let me quickly start the device. So it's a quick first time boot up of the iQOO Neo 7 Pro after quick unboxing. So it's my first time doing the boot up of this iQOO Neo 7 Pro, which has got the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and this is a monster color monster version as well, with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 powerful chipset. And it's a first time boot up, and we got the instructions. Select the region and set up offline. And this is my first time doing the complete boot up of this device as well, for the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. So let me skip everything. Next. So this is the first time boot up friends of the iQOO Neo 7 Pro after quick unboxing. So definitely friends, stay tuned for more updates on the comparison with other smartphones. As I said, I'll definitely focus comparing with the OnePlus Nord 3 versus iQOO Neo 7 Pro as well. So stay tuned for those videos. So with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. So it did release with the Android 13 as well out of the box, so which is pretty good. And software security patch has been June 1st. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this quick unboxing and initial impressions. Overall it feels pretty good while loading the device as well. So stay tuned for more updates on this smartphone while comparing with the other devices. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching, and stay tuned and bye.